I got an idea. Let me climb up there. I'm gonna sit up top of that thing. Be comfortable up there. Okay, let's go down. Oh. Okay, here we go. Oh, I'm too heavy enough to climb up there. Wait, I heard something. Oh. Whoa, dang. What are you doing right there? I'm trying to climb up. But you're too heavy. You can't even climb that thing up. You'll fall over. Like you just did right now. Let me turn on the Xbox. Turned it on. I turned it on. Turn it on. The monkey's going to jump on that chair. Let me jump on that chair. Sorry, I said do that. Oh man, the controllers are over there now. Man, I need to jump over there. The controller's all the way over there. I need to go and get it again. Maybe jump. 1, 2, 3. It's too far over there. How am I going to get it? Oh yeah. Or creeper, come in. Okay, I'm here. That was funny, right? Yeah, don't laugh at front of my face. I don't like laughing. I'm sorry. It's okay. Okay, let's watch the Xbox break. Okay. Hey! Yeah, that one's a good one. That one's a good one. Now you see me. If somebody tries to throw a fireball at me, you miss. Now I moved something. Now he moved the table right there. Okay, let me jump on that table. Ouch, that hurt my head. I jump. Big creeper, he's trying to eat. It's trying to eat because he wants to. That's what. Yay! Okay, here's your food. Here's your food. Look inside your food. Oh no, not these two. Not Squidward, blow him out, and not this thing. I throw that thing out. Okay, eat up your food. Eat your food up. You just want to eat every hour. I'm gonna wait for my food. He ate some of that's in there. Now it's no more. By the time you did this, I put 2 more. Okay. The monkey put more food in there before Creeper wasn't looking. There's a remote in the phone. The last one, a little monkey. Oh, you ate all your food. That's good for you. Oh, it's so hard. Yuck. Now he's going to sleep now. When he woke up. Oh, dang, he's heavy. He came out. Maybe smush him. Let me do it again. Yeah. You bounce, sweet. You bounce me. Haha, you can bounce this high. I'll be scared if he jumps in here. Nobody's here. Oh dear, he just came. Ouch, it hurt. Steven Squidward fell down there. Uh-oh, he must be coming to sit up. He's trying to relax. This guy's trying to relax. But he gets too much food in him. He's so fat. If I push him out, what do you do? Oh, this thing will come back up. He's going to move this thing. He's going to shake this thing. Is this thing balanced? Yes, it is balanced, but he's the heaviest. He might made it fall. Hi. I don't feel so good. It's going to feel good. Oh no, there's another bear. Oh, this bear's heavy too, little. Now this thing's about to fall out. You need to be careful now. Or I kick both of them out. Both of them are... Ugh. Wait, if he jumps in here, this thing's going to shake. But he did like this. Yeah, he's shaking it. He's kind of heavy too. Look what a monkey would do if he comes in here, if he jumps back in here. Oops, sorry. Oh, we're talking about this. No, because he reminded. It kicked him out. The box kicked him out because it's laying over and it made him lame. Box laying and it fell. He fell. Wait, he's heavy. He can't heavy. Oh no. He's gonna eat this now. Can't get up. I can't get up. Or or let me get something hard, something can push you down on. sick. Hey, he spit something out. My car. And the bunny. I want to do it again. Oh, Zombie Pigman, are you okay? Oh my gosh. Ouch. You still spitting out more things? Ouch, the bullet. The water bottle? You drink the whole thing? Hey, I feel better now. I can sleep. He doesn't really move it. He doesn't really move it so much. Or I got to say, he still move it still. Fell off. Get back up there. See, he does move it. Oh, that did hurt. Oh, man.